What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina Mitchell. If you're new, welcome. I'm doing a collaboration today with BeautyOver40, and we are doing our favorite fall colors for our eyes. Be sure to check out her channel. It'll be linked down below, and go tell her I sent you.
And there's no aspect, no facet, no moment of life that can't be improved with pizza. Thank you.
So I already did my brows and primed my lid. I'm just going to pack on this orange blush in a circular shape all over my crease and a little bit on my lid. And I'm packing it on so that I can get the best color payoff. Once I've got it packed on in the shape that I want, I'm just going to take my blending brush, the same brush, and I'm going to blend out the edges. Because this is the transition shade, you really want to make sure that you blend everything out so the colors that are put on afterwards blend seamlessly on top. Next, I'm just going to take a red eyeshadow and I'm putting it on my eyelid in the same exact shape as I did with the original orange eyeshadow. Red is one of my favorite fall colors because I like the way that it looks on the leaves. I think it's a really pretty color. This one though wound up being a little bit patchy, and I think it's because I used an orange blush instead of an orange eyeshadow. I don't know. But you want to go ahead and blend that out. If you have a better red, definitely use it. Then on the inner and outer corners, I'm going to place this beautiful chocolatey brown eyeshadow, and this is going to act as my definition for this look. Once I've got it laid out in a halo shape, I'm going to take my original blending brush and I'm just going to soften the brown a bit so that when I layer the next eyeshadow on top of it, it'll all look seamless. Then I'm taking another orange eyeshadow, and this one is actually an eyeshadow, and I'm placing it right on the perimeter of that chocolatey brown color and mixing them together and also blending them out. This is just going to create a really burnt orange shade on my eye. I was really just trying to soften the brown, to be honest with you. Okay, so after that, I'm adding black into the outer corner of my eye, and I'm blending it into the center of my crease. And basically, I'm tapping it on so that I can get the best color payoff with this really nice brush. You really want to make sure that when you're adding black to your eye, you get a detailing brush that's a little dense so you have less fallout and you can place the eyeshadow exactly where you want it. After I place it where I want it, I'm just going to blend it into my crease. And I'm also going to add a little bit more of that chocolatey brown just to soften the black a little bit because I needed to transition into all of the other shades. Now that that's all done, I'm just going to take my blending brush and blend them all together. And I'm blending and blending and blending. And I'm also going to take the orange eyeshadow that I used and pack it onto my brow bone. The reason why I'm doing this is a lot of the time when I'm blending, I wind up making all of the colors transition into each other so much that they don't necessarily stand out. And I really want this orange to stand out in this look. So I'm going to pack it on and blend it onto my brow bone. After that, I'm going to take some white concealer and just cut my crease. Y'all know I love a cut crease. And I'm spreading the concealer all over my lid, and I'm not going to set it this time. But make sure that you blend the concealer into the eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow. Then I'm taking this beautiful lime green eyeshadow. I love lime green. It's actually my favorite color. And I'm packing it onto the concealer. When the concealer's wet, you really don't want to do much swiping because you're going to wind up wiping the concealer off. So it's really important to make sure that your eyeshadows are creamy and pigmented enough to go on top of the concealer. After that, I'm just going to make sure I blend the green and the black together. You're going to have to wind up going back and forth until you're satisfied with how blended it is. After that, I am going to add a little bit more black because I don't want to lose that definition. And then again, blending the black with the green, of course. And when you add more black on top of the already dark area of your eyeshadow, you really want to make sure that you go back in with a blending brush and blend it out, because a lot of the times it'll be really, really harsh. And that's why you want to make sure you go back and blend. So blend away, everyone. Next, I'm just going to put on some black eyeliner on my lower lash line. My lower lash line is really, really simple. Just a little bit of black liner and black eyeshadow. And you want to make sure that they connect too. So I accidentally forgot to fill my inner corners, but I basically layered a dark gold and a light gold and an even lighter gold on top of each other, which I'm sure y'all can do. For this look, I decided not to wear lashes, kind of to be lazy, but also because I wanted to see how my own lashes would look with this eyeshadow look. You can definitely put on you can definitely put on eyelashes if you want to. That is totally up to you, but I did wind up loving the way my natural lashes looked, so yay! Trying to get like Jackie Aina, you know. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and put on a nude translucent gloss for this look, and this is the final look. These are my favorite fall colors. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite fall colors are for your eyeshadow or for the leaves or whatever. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and be sure to check out BeautyOver40's video. She is a really talented woman, and she encourages women who are over the age of 40 and maybe even younger to embrace their inner beauty queens. Okay, look at her. Yes. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.